Hey, Rob here for Quadratec. When's the last time you thought about the washer nozzles installed on the hood of your Jeep Wrangler JL or Gladiator JT? My guess is probably never. That is, of course, until you need them to do their job clearing away your windshield. Whether you're crawling down a super dusty trail, you've splashed through a deep, muddy puddle, or maybe you're on the highway during the winter with snow, ice, and road salt building up, killing your visibility, that's when you absolutely need those washer nozzles to do their job. Today, I'm going to show you how we can transform 2 spraying nozzles into 24 nozzles using the Mopar High Performance Wiper Blade Kit. You can install this kit and get all of the benefits for just a bit more than what it would cost you to replace your standard wiper blades. So whether your existing wipers on your vehicle are already worn out, or maybe you're just looking to give your Jeep an upgrade, you've got to check out this kit from the guys at Jeep Performance Parts. This moves the 2 existing washer spray nozzles from the hood of your Jeep right up to the blades themselves. Each blade features 12 laser cut holes right there on the leading edge of the blade in front of the actual blade itself to clear away your windshield right there where it absolutely needs it. Now, in addition to the 2 wiper blades that you'll get pre-assembled that feature those laser cut jets, you're also going to get all of the hosing needed to move the washer spray from the hood of your Jeep up to the wiper blades and the arms. Now, you'll also get 2 additional refills. So effectively with this kit, you're getting 2 complete sets of replacement wipers. And that's why I say that you can install this kit for just a bit more than the cost of installing basic replacement wiper blades on your vehicle. Now, when it does come time to change out those wiper blades because they've worn out, that process is simple. You'll just need a small flathead screwdriver, and pushing this locking tab out of the way, we can go ahead and slide that old used up wiper out and then slide one of the new replacements right into place. Now, getting this kit installed is super easy. In fact, Jeep has designed it so that you can install this kit using the toolkit that came in your Wrangler or your Gladiator from the factory, only using that 15mm socket to remove your wiper blades. To get started, we'll first remove the caps to reveal the nuts securing the wiper arm to the vehicle. Next, using the 15mm socket and the ratchet that came in the toolkit with your Jeep, go ahead and remove the nuts, then lift the arm and pull it off of the stud. If you're having difficulty removing the wiper arms, the instructions do call for the use of a small puller to assist removing them from the stud. Repeat the same steps to remove the other wiper arm as well. Next, we'll remove the cowl screen. It's simply held in place with some trim clips. Simply lift it up to remove and set it aside. Moving onto the hood, we can locate our existing washer hose running up to the hood. We'll be disconnecting it, removing the elbow from the existing rubber fitting. We can install the new washer Y hose by connecting the barbed fitting here to the existing rubber connection that we just disconnected. Then route the rest of the hose through the cowl of the Jeep, keeping the short leg close to the driver's side, and the longer leg will run over towards the passenger side. Next, we can reinstall the cowl screen into place, first setting it down and then pulling each one of the hoses for the driver's side and for the passenger side through the wiper stud attachment point before securing it back in place. To remove the existing wiper blade from the wiper arm, we'll depress the tab and push the arm towards the body of the wiper arm to remove it from the assembly. The new wiper blade will install in the reverse of the removal of the previous blade by lining it up with the hook on the arm, sliding it into place until it clicks. Next, we can install the wiper hose by feeding it through the spring on the back side of the wiper arm. Attach the hose to the nipple on the top side of the wiper blade. Using glass cleaner as a lubricant can help the hose slide on a bit easier. Secure the hose to the back side of the wiper arm using 2 of the provided clamps for each wiper. Slide the clamp over the hose and secure it to the wiper arm. And then we'll repeat all the same procedures on the passenger side arm. Connect the hose from the wiper arm to the barbed connection we left sticking out of the cowl screen. With the connection made, we can reinstall the wiper arm on the vehicle at the same angle as removed. Secure it in place with the nut and 15mm socket. Finally, reinstall the cap and then do the same to complete the installation of the opposite wiper arm. The last thing to do now is to go ahead and test out the system. Now remember, it may take a few seconds the first time you activate the wipers for that pump to get the fluid all the way up to the wiper arms. But with that running, you can see just what an awesome job that does, spraying fluid right there at the wiper blades instead of from those 2 jets out on the hood. Now we have 12 individual jets of water on each wiper blade, and it's spraying them right there in front of the blade on the glass. I think that's going to do a great job. I can't wait to get out onto the trails and see what a great job these do clearing away mud, dust, dirt. I think they're going to do a great job on the road as well, no matter the time of year. Now, if you want to get more information or to purchase a set of Mopar Performance Wiper Blades for your Jeep Wrangler JL or Gladiator JT, you can click that info button to head to quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about the blades or how to get them installed, you can always leave those for me down in the comment section below or by simply heading to the website. Of course, if you haven't already and you like these videos, do me a huge favor. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification icon, so be sure to catch all of our latest videos. Until next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you out on the trail.